Sabi ni Ian 21, when the beneficiary is the principal, hindi ba parang iisang tao ang tinutukoy nito? Di ko gets, please elaborate more. Ito yung tinutukoy ni Ian na content ko about Section 12 ng Insurance Code. Forfeited ka bilang beneficiary ng life insurance kapag ito ang ginawa mo. As per Section 12 of the Insurance Code, the interest of a beneficiary in a life insurance policy shall be forfeited when the beneficiary is the principal, accomplice, or accessory in willfully bringing about the death of the insured. Ang tinutukoy na principal ng Section 12 ay hindi tungkol sa policy, kundi tungkol ito sa criminal liability. So sa criminal law, mayroong tatlong klaseng liable sa crime. Una, principal. Ito yung mayroong direct participation sa pag-commit ng crime. Then, itong accomplice and also yung accessory. So, ang ibig sabihin lang ng Section 12, kung gumawa ka ng crime, let's say pinatay mo yung insured at ikaw ang beneficiary, ikaw man yung principal, no? Principal suspect, for example, ikaw man yung accomplice or ikaw man yung accessory, void or forfeited yung iyong yung inyong interest bilang beneficiary ng life insurance. So, yun ang ibig sabihin niyan, Iyan, tungkol yan sa criminal liability at hindi tungkol sa policy ng insurance contract.